Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Windows Security directly. Click Start, type Windows Security, and press Enter. Once the app loads, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account so you can change notification options. If you recently updated Windows, the layout may differ slightly. In that case, use the search box inside Settings to find notifications. Now that you're in the app, move to the Notifications area. This is where the actionable toggles live, so continue to the next slide. Now navigate to Settings and choose Notifications. You'll see grouped categories like Virus and Threat Protection, Account Protection, and Device Security. Toggle each category off to stop that class of alerts. Some options prompt a UAC confirmation. Accept it to apply the change. Once you turn them off, Windows may still show critical alerts. That's controlled separately. Make sure to read each label so you disable only what you want. After adjusting, give Windows a moment to register the new preferences. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer or simply rebooting. This ensures the notification service reloads with your new settings. If notifications persist, check Group Policy Editor or any third-party antivirus/endpoint manager that can override Windows Security. Make those changes there. If the settings page won't save or looks wrong, run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair system files, then retry. Finally, make sure you actually want to silence these alerts. Turning them off can hide important security notices, so re-enable if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.